You're learning English from the interviews they have with each other, right?
Yeah. I try to focus with them when they talk in the show because they speak slowly. I can understand them very clearly. All wrestlers talk slowly. I hear them very well. I understand them. Some words I can't understand it. Some phrases I can't. But I try to understand meaning from the all dialogues or conversation. I try to watch WWE YouTube channel because they show translation captions.
You can definitely pick up many different things in English from professional wrestling. It's
Yeah.
quite interesting.
By the way, what are your opinion about that? Is this good way or it can help it?
I think it can help you because it involves drama, and people
Yeah,
tend to remember drama, and that can
yeah,
assist you with your English. It's always a good idea to study English in topics or themes that you are interested in.
yeah. I was interested in some series, but I still looking for best way how to get most benefit from this series while watching because first time I watch in Arabic translation, then I try to watch it with English translation. I try to focus in English subtitle regardless I understand or not the meaning. That's
Good,
what I do.
because passive listening can help you. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?